Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please do consider joining my YouTube family and subscribe down below. There's also that notification bell. Make sure that you ring it so that you are notified when I put new content out on Sundays and Thursdays every week regarding luxe life and anything girly. So guys, for today's video, I received a very special package in the mail. It was sent by our friend CherryStyleLuxe right there. And a little bit of a backstory. I was stalking her Instagram because you know she's got awesome pictures. And I came across one of her bags and it had something on it, like a little addition. And I was like, girl, where did you get that? Because I would love to buy one for my Chanel mini rectangular. And she's like, I made it. I was like, what? So talented. So then she offered to make me one. And I was like, okay, I would love one. I would so love one. So she had to order some parts, and a few weeks later, we got her in the mail. So I'm gonna open it up for you and show you guys what I got. All right, make sure that my address is out of the way. Cherry, nice, it smells so good. It smells delicious. All right, let's unwrap it. Oh my goodness, how cute, guys. So, handmade by our friend Cherry. So guys, if you're not subscribed to Cherry's channel just yet, I will link her channel down below in her Instagram so you can show her some love. She made something for my Chanel bag, and let's open it up and show you guys what I've got. Oh my God, girl. So she had pearl handles on one of her bags, and I absolutely love it. Now, I expected maybe a one handle. She sent me 3. This girl you went above and beyond, Cherry. I can still smell. What is on this bag? Ah, heavenly. I'm gonna have to ask her later what that smell is. All right, so my bag, let's take her out. Oh, and by the way, I'm filming in a different area today because my daughter is home and I didn't want to take over her space. So I'm actually in my bedroom. This is my little clothes rack that I set out for the week of the clothes that I'm gonna wear. And I basically, hang them on Sunday so that Monday to Friday, I don't have to rummage my closet thinking about what do I wear, at 5 in the morning. So we don't do that anymore. It's all set up. And then I've got my Carefree bags right here, the Vanity PM, the Alma BB, and the Speedy B, because I do get a little bit of sun, not a lot of sun in this room, but a little bit, so I don't keep my Pochette bags out. So here is the beautiful Chanel mini rectangular, and that beautiful raspberry color and caviar. You guys have seen her before. And let's try these pearl handles on her. So let me pull out the chain. All right. So as far as I'm gonna put so she put lobster clasp in the end so I can attach it to my strap. And let me undo all of them so that we can kind of figure out the lengths of them. The little one is all like the same size pearls with the lobster clasp, and I have silver hardware on my Chanel bag, so this will be perfect, as she sent me clasp with silver hardware. This one kind of has smaller ones in the end. They get bigger and then they get smaller again, but kind of the same length. And then now this gorgeous little mama here has the same amount of pearls on each side, but in the middle has this really, really nice, pretty, clear one that has a little accent ball in there. Thanks, Cherry. This is so cute. I'm so excited. So excited. All right, so let's try this one first. All right, so this is the smallest piece with all of the same length. I love this look with this bag just because, so this is such a pop of color, right? So then adding something like this is so pretty. I think, so this one's a little bit of an elastic, so I wouldn't be able to use this one as a handle. So it's purely just for looks. But yeah, it looks gorgeous on that one. So let's try the next size up. So this so far is my favorite look. So I'm loving the kind of smaller, and then it gets kind of bigger at the bottom, and then smaller again. So this, oh yeah, and this isn't elastic. So this one I can technically use to pick it up. I mean, I wouldn't use this to like carry it around as far as, you know, the bag itself, but you probably can. But look how cute. Oh, that's gorgeous too. So that little ball right there is just like the perfect addition, just to kind of give it a little bit of a break. But wow, I'm loving it. Thank you so much, Cherry. So again, this was gifted by my beautiful friend CherryStyleLuxe. That's her Instagram. I'll link it down below. And the only reason why I kind of got gifted is because I was really interested in where she got it from. And her talented little self basically made this, guys, made this. Very, very good quality. I couldn't tell, like, if, you know, if it was, I mean, it's certainly handmade, but look at that, guys. And she has little accent stoppers there just to kind of give it a little bit of a different feel. This one. So I think for this bag, this one is my absolute favorite. The little one is a little bit more dainty. And this one is bigger, but I do like it still on that bag. But definitely this size is probably going to be my favorite to use out of all of them. I'm looking at the pearls instead of you guys, I'm sorry. But also, can we just applaud our beautiful friend Cherry for these beautiful pearls? And like I said, if you guys wanted to have some of these for your Chanel bags, I believe she is going to start taking orders. So please hit her up on Instagram. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys, let's do a little bit of an ASMR moment. Right? Very nice. Thank you again, Cherry. I truly appreciate you and your friendship always. All right, where did I put my scissors? I think I'm gonna need a table in this setup. All right. All right, guys. Sorry. I was a little excited and I don't have a table set up around me over here, so I kept having to reach underneath me. So we'll get better in the next video. There's my kid running around. But anyway, for my other unboxing, I got something from Black Friday that I'm really excited about. I've been wanting to add something like this in my wardrobe, whatever collection, and something very girly, of course. And I saved some money on this for Black Friday. So I purchased from Joma Shop, and it says never pay retail, which sure, if I can never pay for retail, I'll take it. All right, so as far as what we got us a brand new Burberry scarf, and this is in the mega check pattern. So it has that one check right, one red right there, and otherwise it has like black and gray, and then the base of the whole thing is kind of a, I would say beige, not off-white. So I wanted this color or the classic Burberry color. And one of my friends, like I said, Andres, and a few other friends were like, don't get that one, which I'm going to put a picture up here, which is the classic Burberry look. They were like, you know, do something different. And I kind of agree. I mean, I don't live in a place where people are going to know what I'm wearing and whatnot. So are you guys a fan of designer scarves? Do you collect them? I personally, this is my first one, and like I said, I don't know if I'm really gonna start collecting more of them, as they aren't, you know, like one of my need pieces right now, but I definitely want to have one at least to add to my collection. This will certainly go well with a lot of cute outfits, and when I chose this light color, I certainly thought about that girl back there. So gosh, it's so pretty back there. Thank you so much, Cherry. I mean, just look at how different the bag looks now from it not having it. I mean, it was already gorgeous by itself, but with this, it's just, it adds a little extra pop to it. So guys, that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video and you enjoyed today's content, please make sure you do like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is ILoveLuxe, ILVELUX. I'm pretty active there. And if you have any questions and you want like a quicker turnaround time and response, definitely message me on there. And I will do my best to answer your questions. Otherwise, please say hi down below. Thank you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you, and have a blessed day.